Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use United Healthcare Ucard at Walmart app. So I'm going to demonstrate the steps in my web browser, but you just have to simply follow the steps in your Walmart application. First of all, you will have to launch your Walmart app and then log in into your account. Afterwards, you will have to add your favorite items in the cart and then you will have to come to the cart. Now, before continuing to the checkout page, you will first have to simply go to your account and then tap on the wallet option. Now in the wallet option you will see a bunch of different payment methods like credit, debit card, gift card, EBT card and benefit cards. So since you want to use U card, you will have to tap on the benefit card option and then you will have to provide your card details like your card number and further details. After that you will have to simply save this card and then you will have to come on the checkout page again. Now you need to click on continue to checkout and at the time of purchase you just have to simply use your U card as the payment method and conclude your payment with it. This way you will be able to easily use United Healthcare U card at Walmart application. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.